Okay, everyone, here are the 5 things that you need to have before you can run Facebook ads smoothly. Okay, so number one, what you need to have is your Facebook page. It's important to know that there is a difference between a profile and your Facebook page. So you have to have your Facebook page so that you can be able to run ads very well. There are other methods, but make sure before you can run ads on Facebook, you must have a functioning Facebook page. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to have to be able to run ads effectively. I don't want this video to be very long, so I will just get right into the points very well. Okay, now the second thing that you need to have to run Facebook ads effectively is your Facebook ads account. Now, you need to know how to be able to locate the Facebook ads manager so that you can be able to create your ads using the ads manager. You can also create your ads from your Facebook app, or you can also create your ads from the Meta Business Suite. But when you use your Facebook ads manager, you will see that there are a lot of possibilities and a lot of things and buttons that is in the Facebook ads account, okay, in the Facebook manager ads account than other platforms. So it's better to use your Facebook ads manager account to be able to create an effective ad. So that's the second thing that you need to have. So the third thing that you need to have is to know how to add funds to your ads account on Facebook. Okay, you need to know how to add funds to your ads account on Facebook so that Facebook is going to use that money you added into your ads account to be so that you can be able to use it and pay for those ads that you are running. So it's important that you know how to add funds into your Facebook ads account. Some people don't know how to do this. Some people pay on daily basis. Some people add your prepaid balance. Okay, so it's important that you add a one-time payment. You add a particular amount of money, maybe 100K, maybe 200K, maybe 50K once into your Facebook prepaid balance so that Facebook can deduct that balance when you run ads on daily basis. So add your Facebook ads funds into your ads account and learn how to do that. It's very, very important. Now, that's the third thing. Now, the fourth thing that you need to know or you need to have to be able to run ads effectively is your ad creatives. Okay, your ad creatives are very important. You need your copy, the write-ups that you will use in your ad. You need your images or your videos that you can use to run ads on Facebook. So those are the things you need. Those ad creatives, you need them. It is very important that you have a good ad creative. If you're going to use videos to run your ads, it's important that you use a good video that is very, very good. Okay, if you want to use images, that is still okay. All of them can still get you the result if you utilize them very well. Okay, the problem with some people is that they don't know how to utilize those creatives so that their ads will not be delivering. But if you know how to utilize them very well, your ads will deliver. Now, that's the fourth thing that you need to have, your ad creative. Now, the final thing that you need to know to be able to run ads effectively on Facebook is to learn optimization. Now, even if you start up your ads the first time and it's not doing very well, don't worry. Look at your insight, look at your metrics, okay? So that you can be able to learn from your metrics and optimize that ad so that it can deliver the results that you desire. So these are the 5 solid things that you need to have. 5. You need to have, or you need to know these 5 solid things to run your Facebook ads immediately and effectively. Okay, so I hope this video, you have learned something from this video. Like, follow, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.